Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This will be my second last artwork before I start the bootcamp. A 10 to I think a 25-day bootcamp of art. So this is pre-bootcamp and we'll see my progress post-bootcamp. So I'm just trying a random pose to figure out the areas where I'm lacking. I learned using different shapes like a pentagon or a hexagon for pelvis, squares, and rectangles for other body parts. Again, a hexagon for arms and calves. So here I'm just figuring out what the basic structure of the pose, which is the best way. Now see, the legs are too short, but I haven't noticed it. I will soon. Laying out the primary pose and just sketching out the structure is really good, and do not feel shy to erase and sketch again, because if you do, then the pose will come different and you'll mess up. I've seen with myself that I often do not like to erase and then draw again, which comes me to another part. Why do paintings look better than sketches? I mean, my paintings look better than sketches because in painting I redo them again and again, but in a sketch, like in drawing a pose, I tend to not erase and redraw. So learning that would be beneficial for me and for everyone else. Do you guys hesitate to erase your sketch? I do. And this one, like we're seeing right now, the legs are too skinny. The upper portion, the torso, is thicker. I feel the pelvis is too small. Now I will lower the opacity of the primary sketch and I'm trying to overdraw it and make it look good. The bootcamp will be around 25 to 30 days. I haven't decided yet, but I will be posting every day. This is the second last video. The last one is already recorded and I'll just post it the next day, and Sunday we start the bootcamp. No hesitation, because I have nothing else to do. I feel drawing a primary sketch and then drawing the clothes over it is really nice thought. Whoever came up with it did a good job. I'm using Procreate and I'm using the normal technical pen for the sketch this time. I'll do a pose study, which is this one, and a normal face structure study after this. And then in the bootcamp, we'll be learning how to draw poses, faces, every single thing, and make a good portfolio, and hopefully land a job. I need a job. Now see, the torso, the shoulders are too wide for the legs in comparison to the legs and the skirt. The skirt didn't came out that good, but they are too wide from what I can see. When I'm drawing it, I don't really feel it, but now that I'm seeing this as a third party, I can really see where I'm messing up. I should have kept the shoulder a bit inside, squeezed it. Now this, you can see I've drawn the cap and the hair because I forgot to hit the record button. But it's okay. We learn from mistakes. I can draw better faces. Can do that. Alright, so this is the sketch. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the last sketch before boot camp. Bye bye.